Hi everyone, welcome back to Passionate About Tech. I'm excited to bring you another practical computer science tutorial today. In this video, diving into Microsoft Word for beginners in 2025, perfect if you're new to word processing or want to create professional documents with ease. We'll go step by step through the basics, from navigating the interface to formatting text, inserting images, and more. I'll share some time-saving tips to help you get started confidently. Let's master Microsoft Word together, stick with me, and let's get started. On Windows, click the Start button and search for Word in the search bar. Once it's open, you'll see the Start screen. You can pick a template like a resume or flyer, start with a blank document. For this tutorial, let's choose Blank Document to start from scratch. Click it, and you're ready to go. Now that we're in Word, let's take a quick tour of the interface. At the top, you'll see tabs like Home, Insert, Layout, and more. These are your main tools, and we call this area the ribbon. Each tab has a ribbon with groups of tools. For example, on the Home tab, you've got the font group for text formatting and the paragraph group for alignment and lists. Above the ribbon, there's a search bar labeled Tell Me. This is super handy if you're looking for a specific feature. Just type what you need, like margins, and it'll guide you. At the bottom, you'll see a status bar showing your page count, word count, and language like English United States. You can also zoom in or out using the slider on the bottom right. Let's get familiar with these tools as we go. Let's start by adding and formatting some text. Click anywhere on the page to start typing. I'll type a title, My Tech Project. To format this, double-click the title to highlight it. On the Home tab, in the Font group, you can change the font. Let's pick Calibri. Next to that, adjust the font size. I'll set it to 16. You can also make it bold by clicking the Bold button or italicize it with the Italic button. Want to change the color? Click the Font Color drop-down and pick blue. Now let's add a subtitle. Press Enter twice for spacing and type Step 1, Getting Started. Highlight it, and in the Styles group, click Heading 1 to apply a preset style. It'll make your subtitle stand out. These styles save time and keep your document consistent. Now, let's create a list under our subtitle. Press Enter to start a new line and type, First, plan your project. To make this a numbered list, highlight the text, and on the Home tab in the Paragraph group, click the Numbering button. It'll automatically number it as 1. Press Enter and type your next item, Second, gather resources. Word will number it as 2 for you. If you want bullet points instead, highlight the list, click the Bullets button, and pick a style like a dot. Let's adjust the spacing. Highlight the list and click the Line and Paragraph Spacing button in the Paragraph group. Choose 2.0 for double spacing. This makes your document easier to read, perfect for reports or essays. Let's add an image to make our document more engaging. Go to the Insert tab and click Pictures. Choose this device and pick an image from your computer. I'll use a Tech Gadget photo. Click Insert, and it'll appear where your cursor is. To resize it, drag the corner, hold Shift to keep the proportions. To move it, click and drag. You'll see a Layout Options button next to the image. Click it and choose Tight to wrap text around the image. Want to add effects? With the image selected, go to the Picture Format tab, and in the Picture Styles group, pick a style like a soft edge rectangle. You can also adjust brightness or add a border. Images make your document pop, and Word makes it easy to customize them. Next, let's add a table to organize information. Go to the Insert tab and click Table. Hover over the grid to select a 3x3 table and click to insert it. Type some data like a project schedule. In the first row, type task, date, and status. In the next row, add research, April 10, and done. To format the table, select it and go to the Table Design tab. In the Table Styles group, pick a style like a blue header. To add shading, highlight the header row and click Shading, choose a light gray. Need another column? Click in the table, go to the Table Layout tab, and click Insert Right. Tables are great for keeping your data organized, and Word gives you tons of options to make them look professional. Let's add a header and footer for a polished look. Go to the Insert tab and click Header. Choose a blank style. Type your document title like Tech Project Guide and press Enter. To add a footer with page numbers, click Footer on the Insert tab and pick a blank style. Then click Page Number, choose Bottom of Page, and select the Center option. You'll see Page 1 appear. If you don't want the number on the first page, double-click the footer, and in the Options group, check Different First Page. Close the header and footer by clicking Close Header and Footer. Headers and footers are perfect for essays or reports. They make your document look professional across all pages. Now, let's use the Review tab to polish our work. If you misspell a word like "tay" instead of "the," Word will underline it in red. Right-click and pick the correct spelling. To check the whole document, go to the Review tab and click Spelling and Grammar. It'll scan for errors and suggest fixes. Need a better word? Highlight a word like "good" and click Thesauruses on the Review tab. It'll suggest alternatives like "great." Want to track changes? Click Track Changes now. Edits will be marked. For example, if I change "good" to "great," it'll show the change. You can accept or reject it later. Finally, check your word count. Click Word Count on the Review tab to see your stats. These tools help you create error-free professional documents. Let's save and share our work. Go to File and click Save As. Choose where to save, like your computer or OneDrive. Name your fillets, call it Tech Project 2025, and save it as a Word document. Want to save as a PDF? Click Save As, choose PDF from the drop-down, and save. To share, click Share in the top right. If you're using OneDrive, you can invite PPen to their email, set permissions to Can Edit or Can View, and send. Word makes saving and sharing simple, so you can collaborate with ease. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips to level up your Word skills. First, use keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+Z to undo, or Ctrl+B to bold text. They'll save you time. Second, explore templates. Go to File, New, and search for templates like Newsletter to start with a professional design. Finally, if you're stuck, use the Tell Me search bar at the top, type what you need, and Word will guide you. Practice these basics, and you'll be creating stunning documents in no time. And there you have ETA Complete Microsoft Word tutorial for beginners in 2025. You're now ready to create professional documents with confidence. What's your next Word project? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe to Passionate About Tech, and ring the bell for more tutorials. Check the description for links to Microsoft 365 and extra resources. Thanks for watching. TechFam, stay passionate, and I'll see you in the next one.